Hi everybody, Jake here at DmaxStore, and today we're going to be going over a couple of Banks Power products. Now right here we have the Banks Pedal Monster, and here we have the Banks iDash. We're going to be installing both of these on our 2018 GMC Canyon with a 2.8 liter Duramax in it. And there's a couple reasons why we actually wanted to go with the Pedal Monster. There's actually a lot of pedal lag when you're stepping on the throttle to when the truck actually goes in the totally stock form. And with the bigger wheels and tires, that only exacerbated the effect. So the Banks Pedal Monster improves throttle response by intercepting the signal that goes through the throttle pedal and into the ECM. So that's going to actually make the ECM think you're stepping on the throttle a little bit more, and it also makes it faster. So the Banks Pedal Monster has a lot of adjustability within a bunch of different modes. You have city, sport, track, and I mean there's a ton of adjustability within each of those levels. So I think you have about 10 for each of those. So I mean you have an almost infinite amount of customization that you can do on the Banks app or even on your Banks iDash. Now this is actually all set up to run together, so this will be able to link up right to the iDash so you can see where your throttle position is and where the Banks Pedal Monster actually inflates that throttle position too. So you'll be able to see that in real time when you're driving around town. And so after we fix the throttle response with the Banks Pedal Monster, we're going to go ahead and upgrade the iDash. The stock gauges aren't very informative and they don't have anything relating to emissions. So the Banks iDash allows you to monitor hundreds and hundreds of parameters, and most importantly, it allows you to monitor your emission system. So you can see your DPF soot level, your DEF level, if you're in regen or not. It gives you hundreds and hundreds of parameters that you can look at to make sure your truck is in good running condition and everything is operating properly. Because if you have something that is just slightly out of spec, the DPF is going to pick that up so you can't see it out of the tailpipe like you could with some of the older diesel trucks. And so you don't really know just by looking at the tailpipe with your eye. If it's smoking, it could be getting caught and clogging up that DPF. So with the Banks iDash, you'll be able to monitor that DPF soot level so you can make sure your truck is running optimally, so you're not going to be having these thousands and thousands of dollars in repairs for your emission system. If you guys are looking to add Banks Power products to your Duramax, go ahead and check us out on DmaxStore.com and get yours today.